Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my previous video, I mentioned that the lower price area near 108,000 could act as a potential turning point. I entered a position there, but decided to close it around 106,000 in a small, controlled loss over the past 24 hours. During that same period, a total of around $1.1 billion in market positions were cleared, with roughly $872 million coming from the long side. This correction is about 9 times larger than the event we saw in February 2025, leaving the liquidity maps mostly empty toward the lower levels. Normally, I would scale into an existing position rather than exit early, but I already hold a significant trade that was built around 115,000, which keeps my overall exposure balanced. Like many of you, I watched the chart reach 103,600 earlier today. At first, it was unclear what triggered such strong selling pressure, but the answer came quickly when looking at traditional markets. If we compare Bitcoin's movement to the S&P500 futures, which trade nearly around the clock, the pattern is almost identical. The large drop from 121,000 to 105,000 last week matched the same decline seen in the S&P. In fact, the S&P was already hinting on Thursday that the 108,000 area would not hold, continuing to fall until today before fully rebounding to its levels from last Monday. If Bitcoin keeps mirroring that behavior, it could suggest a potential recovery back toward 115,000, while the current range remains between 106,000 and 107,000. A push above 108,000 would be important now, since the 200-day moving average was just crossed, which often signals caution in technical models. As for me, I decided to open a new position during this dip. If price goes below my entry, I'll close it again. But seeing this pattern develop while people are queuing for physical gold globally reminds me that market corrections can often present opportunities for positioning. Looking at the post-halving chart, the current phase seems more muted compared to previous cycles, where major tops formed much faster. Whether this cycle will follow the same pattern remains uncertain, but my view is that a new top is still ahead. It's only a matter of when. Lastly, Thursday's ETF flow data showed around 530 million in outflows, led by ARK with roughly 275 million. Friday's numbers may show a similar trend, possibly even higher. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time market discussions. Leave a comment for the algorithm, it really helps. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.